Eating curd and sugar before stepping out for something new and important is considered to be good luck. The consumption of curd has a cooling effect on the stomach, and the sugar which is added provides instant glucose. This combination is indispensable for Indians, and its consumption slowly linked to good luck. Washing hair on certain days like Tuesdays or Thursdays are considered to be unpleasant, but it's nothing true in this, as it was one of the water management practices. Tulsi leaves should not be chewed, it needs to be swallowed. The science behind this is that the tulsi leaf is healthy and it contains a little amount of arsenic. Thus chewing it directly can result in the degradation of enamel. The belief that sweeping the house after sunset brings bad luck, it is one of the superstitious beliefs that we have all encountered now and then. The reason behind is that our ancestors preferred to clean their house during daytime because of the sunlight and to avoid sweeping away something precious. But this reason soon turned to a superstition. Cutting of nails after sunset is not considered to be good at all. But the truth is something different, as nail clipper blade might hurt you during the dark time or during the absence of the light. Earlier bathing was necessary after attending a funeral ceremony, but today it's not as earlier. Our ancestors did not have vaccinations against smallpox, hepatitis, and other deadly diseases. So they came up with this ritual of bathing so that they can prevent themselves from the infection from the dead body. There is a belief that one should not cook during a death in the family. This was followed to give the family rest and time, as death makes people sad and no one would want to do such things during such conditions. It is said to be bad luck if a lizard falls on a human, but the scientific reason behind is that the lizards are poisonous in nature, which release poisonous chemicals from its body in order to protect them from their enemies. And, if these lizards fall on a human body or inside a food, then it is bound to make it contaminated. So baths are often taken if a lizard falls on a person. Twitching of the eye is considered to be a good or a bad omen depending on the gender and the eye. Eye twitching leads to involuntary muscle twitches, which include many medical reasons behind it. In fact, these twitches are the warning to the person about some impending problems or indicative of some good news on the way. There is a belief that one should not move out during solar eclipse. This is because it could cause retinal burns or eclipse blindness to the person. As we all know that the number 13 is considered to be unlucky, so people try to avoid this number. Friday the 13th has been considered the unluckiest day of the month. The reason behind was related to Jesus Christ's Last Supper, as there were 13 members were present in the supper, including the Christ and his betrayer.